Let's discuss reports that can be created by the system at your command. These reports, as you will see, can be incredibly helpful to you as you use the database. In your left-hand menu in red, look for the Reports link and click on it. It will take you to a page from which you can choose which reports you want to create. Let's go from the bottom up. The last report on the list is called Database Coverage, Quantities. Let's click on that and see what happens. Here it is now. Also, at the top you can see how many total data points there are in the database, a number which increases every single day, as well as how many sources we have examined to find that data. You can see that most countries have a sizable amount of data, but for some countries, such as South Sudan, have far less. In South Sudan's case, that is because it is a new country. On the variable side, you can see much more variation. Some variables have lots and lots of data, and others have very little. You can see how this might be helpful to you as you look for the information you need in the database. The database coverage report is the most common selection, for it shows for each country what percentage of the variables have data, and for each variable what percentage of the countries have data. First, or last, published dates show you for each country or variable that has data what that data's earliest and latest publications are. Data points over time shows you for a given date range, country, and or variable how many data points were added to the system. The Country Bibliographies report will list which sources of information have been coded into the database for selecting a country or variable of your interest. Present Data Report shows you for each country which of its variables have data, or you can search by variable to see which countries have data for that variable. The Missing Data Reports shows you which variables in the database we are currently missing for the selected country, or the countries we are missing for a particular variable. These data reports allow you to know how much data we have on a particular subject in order to aid your data collecting. Thank you for watching this tutorial.